Bus bars, also known as power bus bars, are heavy-duty conductors typically made of copper or aluminum, taking the form of solid metal bars or strips. These essential components serve as the backbone of electrical systems, designed to efficiently collect and distribute electricity. Once the material is cut to the required length, we use specialized stamping dies for pre-press forming. This process ensures the bus bar achieves a consistent curvature, a crucial step to compensate for springback and maintain its shape throughout the subsequent processing stages. Next, we proceed with punching, using specialized laser punching equipment. Our advanced laser technology ensures that each hole is perfectly positioned and smooth-edged, providing the precision needed for seamless connections and reliable performance. To meet specific installation requirements, the bus bars are precisely bent into the required shapes. Using our high-precision bending machines, controlled pressure is applied to achieve accurate bending angles, while preserving the strength and structural stability of the bus bar. After bending, the bus bars undergo a finishing process to remove burrs and sharp edges, ensuring safe handling and installation. Additionally, they can be coated or electroplated to enhance durability and corrosion resistance, extending their lifespan and ensuring reliable performance in electrical systems. From precision forming to surface finishing, HLC strictly controls every process to ensure reliable performance. Thank you for watching.